Okay, as I was saying, yeah, I'm sure some of you out there are going to be attempting haircuts on yourselves at this time because barbers are all closed during the isolation or the lockdown or whatever you want to call it. I'm sure there's some of you going to be out there trying to cut your own hair. I'm sure there might be some partners out there trying to cut their other half's hair. So, I don't know, I'm just going to make a little tutorial. Anyone can follow it. So this tutorial is strictly going to be cutting the top of the hair. Within the coming days, I'm going to upload another video which is doing a fade on the sides of the hair. So yes, it's not going to come out 100% perfect, but you know, if you need a trim, it's going to clean you up and it's going to make you feel fresh again. And we're just chilling at home anyway, aren't we? We're all in the house. So if you do make a mistake, no problem. It grows back. That's the great thing about it. Why not give it a go when it grows back after all? So, what you will need is a comb and your scissors. That's it really. That is it. Oh, the only other thing I'm going to be using, guys, let me get it out for you. Let me whip it out, so to speak. Only other thing I'm going to be using is this. It's my self-cut system. It's kind of useful if you want to get a 360-degree look of your hair and the head. See, you get it. You get how it works. You guys are smart. You understand. If you don't have one of those, it's not the end of the world either, because you can just hold a handheld mirror and have one mirror in front of you and hold a handheld mirror. No. Yes, have one mirror in front of you, hold a handheld mirror whilst looking in that into the other mirror, and you can do it like that. If you watch the very first video or two that I uploaded, I was using that method, so check it out if you haven't already. Stay tuned to see how badly I fuck it up. Ends in this video, trimming the split ends. I'm not going to be cutting my hair really short, nothing crazy like that. Right, so first things first, let's wet the hair. Okay, the hair is wet. I'm just going to section it. So I'm going to section it straight down the middle, half and half. So as you can see, we've got the curtains going on. So your hair actually appears longer whilst it's wet. So you don't want to cut too much off because when it dries, it bounces back up a little bit. You want to just do a little bit, then when it dries, see how it looks, and then do a little bit more if it's not enough. That's the best way. What I'm just going to do is cut the sides to the length that I want, and then once the sides are at the right length, then I'm just going to go over the top and use these lengths that I've cut at the sides to be my guideline, and then I'm going to join the top up together with the length that I've used on the sides, if that makes sense. And there we go. That is a little bit more manageable. Okay. There, we're done now. The sides are shorter, the top length is a little bit shorter. We kind of leave the fringe because I prefer a longer fringe. Ooh, definitely is shorter, but it needed to be done. I was quite scared about doing it because I fucked it up a few times cutting my hair on the top, but we gotta learn, we gotta get there in the end. It grows back, guys. It's the wonderful thing about hair, it grows back, right? God save the Queen. I don't know where this mug turned up from in my house. It's literally turned up about a week ago. Just a mug with the Queen on it. Interesting. Not questioned it. Just started using it, really. Yeah, I haven't questioned it, but you know, does the job. Okay, so it's a few hours on since I trimmed the top, and guys, I had a shower, and the hair before was down past my ears. Now it's up over my ears, about halfway. I call these bits of hair the side skirts. So the side skirts are about halfway up in between the top of my head and my ear now, which is kind of where I like them. And yeah, feel a bit more lighter on top. Just trimmed the ends and I feel a lot more fresh. So guys, if you want to trim the top, you don't have to give yourself a complete buzz cut. You do have the option of giving yourself a nice controlled trim. One thing that you have to remember is it's not going to be perfect because, you know, you're not a barber, I'm not a barber. It's not going to be perfect and it doesn't need to be, okay? You need to remember that when you're cutting your hair at home, and the first few times you might mess up, and that's just part of it. But you need to just keep doing it every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, however often you cut your hair. You just need to keep doing it and you will make improvements and it will become easier. And that's all I've got to say on the matter. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a skin fade to tighten up these sides, and I'm going to record that and I'm going to upload that too. So yeah guys, hope everybody's staying safe during this strange time. Some people still working, some people contained in their houses, isolating in their houses for now. How long will this last? In Europe, in the world, who knows? But yeah, all you can do guys is just take it day by day and see what happens. There's lots of rumours out there. Lots of people are scared and don't know what's going to happen, but you just need to take it day by day, guys. And we're going to have some good news soon. I can feel it. So everybody stay positive. Learn a new hobby. Try to cut your hair. And let's do this. Peace, guys. So close.